Today I'm collecting Bakeapple seeds. Bakeapples are sort of a rare berry. Don't get them in many places. It's of the rubus species. And you'll find them on bogs here in Newfoundland. Now the seeds of any perennial, and especially rare ones that require very specific growing conditions, are going to be hard to adapt to your area. But I still like to collect the seeds, and I have in the past germinated and grown bakeapples from seeds. So how you collect the seeds from a bakeapple is the same you would with any other rubus fruit. There's a little seed inside of each one of these, same as in a raspberry or a blackberry. And all I do, very similar to my tomato seed collection, which I'll link in the description box below, is squat the berry onto a paper towel. It's not very pretty, but it's an easy way to get the seeds out. Then I usually just drag the seed across the paper towel, and when it's out of the fruit, lay it in another area on the paper towel. 3, 4, 5. There's about 8 seeds in that one large berry. Very interesting. A few of the times I collected seeds from these berries, they were white. This year they're pink. Now all I'm going to do is take the yucky old part off. I'll cut it there, lay it in a window ledge to dry, and then I'll label it and put it in my seed saving cabinet. Now these are going to need to be stratified, cold stratified, in order to start. And what that means is you're going to have to mimic a cold period in order to start them. Whether that means planting them directly outside in the fall and letting them overwinter, or you can do it in your refrigerator. But there's lots of information out there on cold stratification. Anyway, if you are collecting berries, save a few of the good ones. And as I mentioned before in my other videos, when you're collecting seeds from a plant, you want to collect the seeds from a good quality plant. Even though you might want to eat the best berry, it's better to keep it for the seeds, because the seeds from the offspring of the really good berry will likely give you more really good berries. If you pick seeds from the offspring of a berry that maybe was smaller or not doing so well, then you're probably going to get some seeds that are going to produce plants that will be smaller. There we go. So that's it. I'm going to continue on. I saved about a half a dozen bakeapples I'm going to keep the seeds from. I don't think I'm going to grow any this year, although I have a property that has a marsh on it that had bakeapples and it was destroyed by some ATVs. So I may look at replanting some bakeapples in the area.